Hey there guys, Artistic Nick here, thanks for the click. I've got a special video for you today. I'm doing a one pencil challenge all the way from sunny Tenerife. Hey there guys, hope you're all well. I thought I'd make a bit of a different video for you today. I'm over in sunny Tenerife, which is an island just off the coast of Africa. We've actually been here for a holiday, and I've been mesmerised by these mountains which are just on the other side of our hotel. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to try and draw these, but I haven't brought any of my pencils, any of my equipment with me. So what I'm going to basically do is I'm going to nip over to the supermarket across the road, see if I can buy a cheap pencil for €1, €2, and I'm going to ask for some paper at reception, and I'm just going to give this a go. So I've not done one of these before. I think it'll be quite fun. What I might do is when I get home is I might attempt to draw these mountains, this mountain range, when I've got all of my equipment. But I've just been absolutely mesmerised by this. I'll put in some clouds and whatnot. I'm not going to be able to time lapse this. Obviously I've not got any of my equipment, so I'll do you some quick updates, some photos in here, but I hope you enjoy this. I just thought it'd be quite a fun video to make, and I'll see you at the end of it. Cheers guys. So here is my amazing Hello Kitty pencil set. It contains an HB pencil, a rubber, a ruler and a pencil sharpener, and I've got some printer paper from down at reception. I'm not sure how this is going to go. It's going to be very, very tricky, but I'm really up for the challenge, and let's see how it turns out. As I'm sure most of you are aware that have done any type of realistic drawing before, the number one thing to try and achieve when looking for a realistic drawing, whether that's a portrait or a landscape, like I'm drawing in this case, is you've got to try and create contrast. This is going from very dark areas on the picture to some very light areas, and in between those we're looking for something called midtones. Now, just using an HB pencil, this was almost impossible for me to achieve. The darkest areas, which is just a combination of different layers of the HB lead or graphite, really doesn't go too dark. I would really have loved to have had maybe even a 2B pencil, but if I was at home with my equipment in front of me, I'd have probably gone into a 6B pencil in some of the darkest areas, really to just try and draw out those darkest shadows, those cast shadows, the holes and the crevices in the mountain. And this would have definitely added a much more realistic sense to the drawing itself. If you are limited to the equipment that you have, I would suggest the 3 pencils that you should definitely have in your pencil case or your artist kit is a 2H pencil, a 2B pencil and a 6B pencil. If they're the only 3 pencils that you had, you should actually be able to achieve quite a realistic look. I'm having so much fun with the channel, guys. I hope you're enjoying this video. It's very, very different to my normal videos. I had a lot of fun with it. I hope you consider subscribing to my channel if you like art videos. I am releasing videos once a week. If you've got any ideas of future videos or future content, then don't forget, leave me a comment down below. I'd really appreciate a like and a subscribe. My channel's growing nicely at the moment. I'm having some lovely feedback. I'm also on all the social media platforms, so if you want to get hold of me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, you can do. The links to all of my social media platforms are down below. As you can see, I'm sort of coming towards the end of the actual drawing now. I'm quite happy with how it turned out considering the equipment that I had, but I really will be trying to add some more depth and realism in my future videos, my next videos, by going much darker with a 2B, 4B, even a 6B pencil. That's sort of my finished drawing. I didn't quite finish it all off. Thanks for watching. Smack the notifications button. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.